Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we're going to do some shirt hacks, and this is what we're going to start by doing. We're going to grab the sleeves and then cross them on the chest like that, and then tie them around the neck like that. And then we're going to grab the center part of the shirt and tie a knot. And for this hack guys, I'll recommend a stretchy shirt for better results. And now this is our amazing outcome. This is how it looks. This is how it looks at the back. Now on our second hack guys, we're going to button up the last button. And then put it on this way. The next thing now is to grab the sleeves and tie a knot by the chest.
You get on thinking you know the destination, but the driver, he's got his own moods, his own detours. For you, you're like that one quiet ride where the
and this is how we're going to tie it so that it can look like a bow. And this is how amazing it came out. Such a beautiful top. Now on our last hack, it's so simple. We're going to wear one sleeve and then grab the other sleeve and the other part of the shirt and tie a knot. Look at that amazing outcome. Thank you for watching guys. Remember to subscribe, like and comment.